cover the cloud computing types or different types of the cloud computing. In previous video I have covered the definition, its advantage and disadvantage. Now see. Generally there are three types of the cloud computing, and these types is also known as a deployment model. That means how the cloud computing are deployed over the internet. For that there are four different models. First one is a public cloud, second private cloud, community and hybrid cloud. Now first we will see the private cloud. What is the private cloud? Private cloud means a cloud that is owned by a organization for their internal purpose, and hence they are known as an internal cloud and corporate cloud also. That means suppose if there are any organization who are internally using cloud infrastructure to manage their organization or to manage the information of the employee and all the data of the organization, then it is a private cloud. This one is a figure of the cloud, private cloud that I have drawn. That means what you can say, suppose there is one organization and here they have made some cloud with the number of the PCs and the resources. They have established some cloud, and at that location everything is stored, and the rest of the computers are using rest of the people within an organization, within this organization are using the resources from those clouds. So that will become a private cloud. And here I have drawn for the two organization. Let's say, sorry, by mistake, it's this one is a organization 2. This one is a organization 2 and this one is a organization 1. That means, let's say both are two different organizations. They have their different cloud infrastructure. Then that is a private cloud. Now we will see. In the private cloud, computing resources are used and controlled by private enterprise or the private organization. That means computing resources are used and controlled by. That means people from that organization are using the resources, and that organization or some third party person, that one is hired by that particular organization, are controlling that resources or that cloud. So that one is a private enterprise. That means it's a private property kind of a thing. It is privately owned by organization. It is also known as and so why it is also known as an internal cloud. That means private cloud is also referred as an internal cloud or the corporate cloud. Main goal of private cloud is not to sell as a services. That means the main aim to establish a private cloud is not provide a service to other people online as per the demand, but to take the advantage of the cloud architecture and to use within their own organization. That one is a private cloud. Next one is a public cloud. What is the public cloud? Let's say that one is a publicly available to the user over the internet or on the online, based on the free or the based on the charges. So that one is a public cloud. That means what is the main goal of this kind of the cloud is provide a service to the user, to the another user based on the charge. That one is the main aim of the public cloud. It is also known as the external cloud. So private is the internal, but public cloud is known as the external cloud. It is a publicly available to user over the internet. That means what they say, that is it is a publicly available to user over the internet. That means this one is available online over the internet to anyone. Generally available on subscription basis by the service provider. That means service provider provide these services based on the subscription to the rest of the user in a word. For a few of the example of the public cloud is Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure, IBM Smart Cloud Enterprise. Also they are providing the cloud services to the user over the internet. Now the another one is a hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a combination of the private cloud and the public cloud both, and it is also known as an integrated cloud. So here I have drawn the figure. It's a this one is a private cloud and this one is a public cloud. Let's say private cloud is using the public cloud. That means some organization have their own cloud infrastructure and they are using some public cloud resources or the information or the services or the some processing capacity. At that time it is known as a hybrid cloud. Now another one is a community cloud. It can be a public or a hybrid. That means this community cloud cannot be a private, but it can be public or it can be a hybrid cloud shared by several organizations among the specific community. What they mean to say? Shared by several organizations among specific community. Among specific community means it's a group of people who share the same thoughts. For example, let's say some researchers, government or education institutions, or you can say people who believe the same thoughts, or people who are interested in a particular kind of the messages. So that one is a specific community. So the clouds, which one is shared by this particular you can say related person. That means they shared among the persons who are related with these one another via some you can say similarities. That means they are based their interest nature is same. So and if they are using some cloud, so cloud services, then that one is known as a you can say a community cloud. It is also known as a community cloud is also known as a vertical cloud. I can give you the example of the community cloud. That means you have seen let's say it's kinds of the newsletter, you can say. Suppose if you are interested some kind of the newsletter and you have subscribed for that one, you are making a group in a Facebook for some particular topic, and the interested people comes together, they can share their views and the idea. So that one is you can say one kind of, that means they have made one kind of the or one type of the community. So same is in the case of the cloud services also. That means a cloud computing which one is shared by or which one is accessed by a only some specific community. So that one is a cloud community or you can community cloud. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. And that means, let's say suppose if you have a doubt on some specific topic in a cloud computing, so you can write in my description box. I will help you in that case. Catch you later. Thank you for watching my